Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this sexy burgundy slash 99J dark hair, and I'm going to definitely show you how to get it without destroying the curl pattern. Period, poo. As you know, it's Valentine's and this is a nice way to go. So this is so sexy and bomb. Look at the fullness. I didn't bleach the roots. I just went close to the roots, so the roots are dark and the hair is burgundy. So this beautiful unit is from moi, and your girl sell units, bundles, and you name it. So if you want me to hook you up, you can just holler at me. Now I do sell factory made units, and I also sell my own handmade units, so whichever you prefer. So now I'm going to go ahead and pin the unit onto the canvas here. By the way, I will be using the BW2 and a 20 volume developer. Yes, a 20 volume developer. And I'm also going to be wearing a gloves and a mask. So to make the process easier, I will go ahead and wet the hair just a little bit so it's easier to spread the bleach. Because of the color I'm going for, I won't be letting the bleach sit in the hair for too long, and I'm going to show you how easy this hair lifts with a 20 volume developer. It doesn't take long, so all I did was just put the bleach in the hair and then wash it out. I didn't have to let it sit for no hours or any minutes or anything. So now that my bleach is mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and just start applying it. And I went ahead and sectioned the hair off, so I won't be applying it in any specific way. I'm just going to go ahead, put it on the hair because I want to have some highlights and lowlights. So I'm just going to go ahead and saturate the hair in the mixture, with the mixture. And this is what I'm talking about when I say the hair lifts really fast, and it's a 20 volume developer, because I just showed you. I'm on my second row and it's already changing. And look at that, I'm done applying the bleach and the hair is already changed to the color that I want. So I won't be letting it sit for too long. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it out. So now it's time to wash the hair out, and these are all the products that I'll be using. Red Fairy taught me, thank you. Make sure you wash all that bleach out, because you don't want to have the bleach you don't want to not wash the bleach out properly and then you still have the hair processing. That will damage your unit, your bundle, or whatever. Now I'm giving it a purple bath because this was the original color that I was going for, that blonde looking color with the highlights and lowlights. But then my client wanted to have the burgundy looking color, so that's why I went ahead and changed it. Now to dye the units, I just went ahead and do the water method because it saves time and money. So the dye that I'll be using is this number 79, which is, I think it's Burgundy Envy, and the next one is, I think it's Wild Cherry. I'll put it in the description below. So I'm just gonna go ahead, mix it in the water, and I'm using cold water. I use cold water because the hair is curly and I don't want to damage the curls. So I'm just mixing it and testing it with the white paper towel to see the color that it has, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the hair in. So I'm just gonna go ahead, place the unit in it, and try to avoid getting the water on the lace. Ensure that all the hair is saturated because you don't want to have any brown spots. And you're going to see me going through with the brush and some of the dye to brush close up to the lace because I don't want to go too close to it and then bleach the lace, dye the lace, I mean. This is how it should look after dipping it. The unit sucks up the dye so the water looks almost clear. The unit is ready to be washed. I'll just be using the Trust Me Moisture Rich Conditioner to get those curls vibrant and nice, and I'm going to let it sit on it for like 5 minutes and then detangle, wash it out, and I'm going to show you how the finished product looks. I did went in and do a little customization, nothing major, I just tweaked it a little bit. Here I'm showing you the anglet, how you should hold the tweezer when tweezing, when plucking. I let the unit dry overnight and I'm here for it. Styling will be so easy. Just spray it with water and look, the curls are, look at the curl pattern, it's still there. I like the way it comes out. So just like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Look at those curl patterns.